All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to make pretty much anything actual size. I'm going to start drawing with the little rectangle here. I'm not even sure what size that is, but we're going to find out. Um, and let's start with two things. We're going to go to Window and pull up our Transform palette, and also View, and let's get our rulers. Show rulers. Now we got our rulers up there. Okay, cool. And I'm going to click on this, and you can see that I've got a 9.6806 inch wide rectangle. And just to start off, like, let's just make this thing 11 inches wide. And boom, it is. It did not change the height though. So if you want that to go along with it, I mean, of course you can change this to be whatever you want right now. If you want the height and width to stay proportional, you'd link this little chain guy. And now if I make this 6, it did bump the other dimension up as well. So it works together like that. If you undo it or unlink it, then yeah, we can make this back to 10 or whatever we want. And now, if you need to change the units from inches to something else, maybe you're going to work in pixels because it's for web, you can right-click on the ruler up there, and then now it's got it in pixels. And you can also, if you want to do that, go up to Settings and Units, and this will change it for all your new documents going forward. If you do it with the rulers like I just did, that just changes it for this document. So that's how you do actual size in Illustrator. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.